The two types of services we have are public and private. The public healthcare services are owned, run, and managed by the government. In a village, we have a health center. In a district, we have district hospitals. In big cities, we have big government hospitals and specialized government hospitals. These all healthcare service centers are run and managed by the government using the public money, which we pay as tax from our own pockets. They provide free and low cost services to the patients. They work to prevent spread of diseases such as TB, cholera, etc. And according to the constitution, it is mentioned in the constitution as well that it is the primary duty of the government to ensure welfare of the public and provide healthcare services to all. Another type of healthcare services we have is the private healthcare service. This healthcare service is growing very rapidly in our country in terms of technology, in terms of money, in terms of doctor, in every aspect. But still, they are not able to reach the needy people, and the reasons are as follows. The services provided by the private health centers are very expensive, which are not affordable by the poor class and the lower middle class of people of our country. The services covered under private health centers are provided by the private clinics, hospitals, private lab tests, private medical shops, etc. They are not owned and controlled by the government, and people have to pay for each and every facility. Cost of cure is very high, doctors charge a very high fees, medicines are very expensive, the tests which are done for various diseases are very expensive, and so the private services are very costly, which is not in the reach of the poor people's pocket. Private services are more concentrated in urban areas because the people in rural areas are poor and they cannot afford it easily. Many a times patients are not taken seriously, especially the poor people. Now there is a story of a person named Hakim Sheikh in your book as well, which you need to go through, and you will understand what happened with him when he went to the hospital for his treatment. Now the question is the adequate healthcare available to all the people in our country? Let's see. India is a country with variety of people, and every person is not similar in every aspect. For example, every person has a different a different living status, different lifestyle, so it is not possible for every person to avail the best health services. So I would say that the healthcare services in India are still unequal. The rich class is able to get the best treatment, and they are able to get the treatment from the private hospitals, which are very expensive, as compared to the poor people who die with so many deadly diseases every year due to the lack of facilities and lack of money which they have. So in this case, the public hospitals and the public centers need to pay more attention and need to focus more towards the healthcare services of the poor people, so that they may get the equal health services every year and may fight the deadly diseases which they face. Now here I will take example of two places which took initiative to improve the healthcare system. Number one is Kerala in India, in which in 1996 Kerala government gave 40% of the budget to the panchayat, and this money was used to improve the basic services like water supply, schools, Anganwadis and health centers, and as a result it was able to achieve the best healthcare system and improve the health situation. Another example is Costa Rica in South America. The Costa Rican approach and Kerala approach both are given in your book as well, so you can go through it in detail for better understanding. Costa Rica and South America decided that they will not have any army and they will not spend any money on the army, and as a result, the money which they saved, from the army, it was used to improve the basic amenities like clean water supply, food, health checkups, etc. And as a result, it became one of the healthiest countries of South America. For more details, you can go through the online module on the official website of NCRT. If you have any queries, kindly come up. We have attached the YouTube links and the worksheets for better understandings. Thank you so much. Take care.